Throughout the healthcare setting, extensive efforts are made to disinfect surfaces, drape patients, and equipment. But not enough attention is paid to the air quality near the wound site. The Operio provides a high level of protection against the risk of surgical site infections. As a result, healthcare facilities can create an area free of airborne bacteria.
Operio is an air cleaning device for medical settings. It generates an ultra-clean airflow over the surgical site, and it allows the surgeon to operate in a clean environment, free from contaminants.
The Operio is a mobile solution that can be brought into an existing operating room or minor procedure room. With the combination of HEPA filtration and directed laminar flow, it provides the cleanest surgical area available.
Operio has a high-efficiency particulate air filter that stops all particles, 99.995%. Then it uses a laminar airflow to create a sterile zone with ultra-clean air.
By guiding filtered air directly to the instrumentation in the surgical site, potential contamination sources are sidelined, allowing the surgical team to move freely without adversely affecting the sterile field. When it comes to clean air, the Operio offers various advantages and does so at a fraction of the cost of units installed in the current HVAC system.
We know bacteria are in the air, they're on counters, they're on lenses, they're on equipment, and basically they're ubiquitous. We dread the possibility of an infection. It's rare, but when an infection occurs, it's devastating for patient and surgeon. One infection can ruin a year of perfect surgeries. So we go to great lengths, antibiotics, lid preparations, everything you can think of to avoid infection.
The Operio Mobile is a simple solution to provide ultra-clean air to the surgical site and instrumentation without building costs and changes to infrastructure. It is a plug-and-play solution to keep your sterile field intact. For more information, visit the websites below.